Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Myself Chetan Jadhav. So in previous lecture we have seen that what is the automation, its types and advantages and disadvantages. So today we'll start from the next point, that is our group technology. So it is a manufacturing philosophy in which similar parts are identified and grouped together to take advantages of their similarities in manufacturing and design. Similar parts are arranged into the part families. For example, a plant producing 10,000 different part numbers may be able to group the vast majority of these parts into 50 or 60 families. Each family would possess a similar design and manufacturing characteristics. Hence, each member of the given family would be similar, and this results in manufacturing efficiency. This efficiency are achieved in the form of the reduced setup time, in process inventory, better scheduling, improved tool control, and the use of the standardized process plan. So basically, in group technology we are going to form a group by using their geometrical shape, size and manufacturing process. If we can take the example of the 10 parts, in that 10 parts 5 parts which is having same geometrical size and shape, and remaining 5 for the same manufacturing process. So we are going to making two group number 1 in that format of the symmetrical geometric shape and size, and second with the same manufacturing process. Like that we have to make the different group for our further process, further manufacturing process, so it will be easy for our manufacturing purpose also. So in similarities among the parts permits them to the classify into again part families from that group technology. First of all, we are going to create some group according to the geometrical size, shape and manufacturing process. Again we have to divide that group to again its part family, in that each part family having the processing steps are similar. A part family can be defined as a group of the part or component having the same or identical attributes. Part may not be exactly same but are very close. Part may not look like same but their manufacturing process can be same. Like this way we have to define that group into the part families. The involvement is typically achieved by organizing the production facilities into manufacturing cells that specialize in production of the certain families. So first of all, we have to create a group according to geometrical size, shape and manufacturing process. That is our first task. Afterwards, in that group, suppose we can take the group 2, one group and second group. In that first group again we have to create the some part families as per the same procedure or as per the same attributes or same component design. Again group number second also we have to divide into some part families. Likewise we have to making the first group, and afterwards we have to make the part families, and that will be better for the manufacturing process. So we will see next part, that is our part family. A part family can be defined as a group of the components having the same attributes like shape, size and manufacturing process. Part may not be exactly same but very close. Part may not be look like same but its manufacturing process can be same. A group of the parts that possesses similarity in group, shape, size, process in their manufacture. A part family are central feature of the group technology. It is a center feature of the group technology. There are always difference amongst parts in the family, but the similarities are close enough to the part can be grouped into same family. 10 parts are a different size and shape but quite similar in terms of the manufacturing as shown in below figure. All parts are machined from the cylindrical stock turning. Some are required drilling and milling. So we will see that example 10 parts. So Next point is group technology methods. So how will define that group will separate from this second group. So there are four methods to identify the different group. So first one, a visual inspection. So using these techniques, a best judgment to the group parts into appropriate families based on this part. So by usually or using this our naked eyes, so you can just visualize that parts and you can just separate that similar parts into the different groups as per the geometrical size, shape, and so we have to just identify by using your eyes and you can create the separate groups. Second is the composite part concept. It is actually based on the features of all the components forming a group. By using the different shape sizes, whatever that we are going to process using for that particular part, from that features we have to identify the different parts and we have to create the separate group. This is the second type of the group technology methods. Next is the production flow analysis. In this third methods, we are going to form a third group by using this information, our operation numbers, our operation sheets. From that we are going to classify our group the third type of the group technology. So we have to identify the what processes, what operations are going to perform on that part. By using this machining operations we are creating the separate group. So next one is, that is the fourth one, is the parts classification and codification. So after this group formation, so again we have to go for the next type, that is the codification and classification. So we have to give some classification number, code to that similar parts, so we can easily understand the that part is going for this group. We can give a number, code for that particular part, so we can easily identify that part should be contained in that this group. So this is actually four method to create the group. So this is a group technology method. We will see in next part where we are going to actually form or create the group. That time we are going to using these methods. So we'll see in next type. You can see this is the image of the group technology. Now in that we can see there are some rod is there, bolt is there, nut is there, washer is there. So we can create the easily different group by using this first method, that is a visual inspection. By using this visual inspection you can create this separate group. From this large rod is there, that one is a separate group. Short bolt is there, so that one is a separate group. For nut also, that one is a separate group. For washer, likewise by using the first visual inspection you can create the different groups. Second, composite part. From this design of this part we can again create the separate group. That production flow also analysis, and last one is classification codification. We will see in next slide. So basically advantages of the, what is the advantages of the group technology. So first advantages is reduction in number of the drawing and documents. Because of this group technology we have to achieve one first advantages, that is we have to reduction in number of the drawings and documents, reduction in setup of this production time, whatever that separating the parts and setting the that time, that will be require more times, that also we have will get that also benefit. Improved machine loading, reduction in work in process time, inventory, reduction in manufacturing lead time. Because of separating this separate group we will get more production time. We are reducing the lead time, we are reducing the manufacturing lead time. We will get better output quality of this product. Process planning and production scheduling are simplified. Standardization of tooling fixture setups is encouraged. Material handling is reduced. Because of this, segregating of the similar type of the part or manufacturing, that will be lead to the reducing the material handling also. Parts are moved within the machine cells rather than enter factory. Because of this segregating of the same similarity size of the product or part, that will be give more benefit as that material handling, that material will be moved in whole factory rather than this we are moving in only that required manufacturing cells. Process planning, production, scheduling are simplified. Work in process and manufacturing lead time are reduced. Improved worker satisfaction in group technology cell. Higher quality work will be get. So that is the benefits of the this group technology. By using this group technology, we will get this type of the benefits. So next part is disadvantages of the group technology. So what are the disadvantages? We will see. First is a high cost of the implementation. Implementation of this group technology, it will be tends higher cost because we are using different automation systems, so it will be leads for the higher cost at initial level. Large number of the codes for variety of the components. For segregating or making the various group at that time, we have to use large number of the codes for variety of the components, so that will be difficult for the reading and segregating. It is not suitable for the large variety of the products. So basically group technology is not suitable for the large variety of the products. It is simply suitable for the mass production. Identification of the part family is a critical task, because we are going to create some first group. In that we are going to create part families, so that will be some, this is not only one part. So in that company or industry there are n number of the parts, n number of the group. So in that we are given just coding and number, so that will be actually critical task to identify the in your desired part. Identifying the part families, that biggest problem. Then the plant makes 10,000 different parts. Reviewing all the parts drawings, grouping the parts into part families, that is also difficult part. So rearranging the production machines in the plant into the appropriate machine cells, that is also difficult part. So basically it will take the more times, and that leads to the less production. And it takes time to plan and accomplish this arrangement, and the machines are not producing during this changeover, so that will be your loss and downtime is more. So these are the disadvantages of the group technology. So up till now we have seen the types, that is a group technology. What is the meaning of the group technology? Why we are making the group technology? We are making the different groups as per the geometrical shape, size and manufacturing processes. And then we have to again going for the part families by using the similar process steps. Again we have seen that part family. In that we have seen that group technology methods, how to form the groups by using visual inspection, composite part, production flow analysis and codification classification. We have seen that example of this group technology. Then advantages of the group technology and disadvantages of the group technology. So for today's lecture it is enough. So in next lecture we will see the remaining part. So thank you so much.